Hey, what's up everybody? So let's come under here and let me show you what I got going on here. I already dropped the transmission down, as you can see, and over here let's see, there's the oil pan. So what I did is 8mm bolts. I used my drill, cracked them loose, and zipped them out real quick. And make sure you pull out the dipstick, and there's a sensor on the side. You're gonna want to pull that out of there too. And then I had to lift the engine itself. I did it, you can see right there. That's not the way I would have preferred to do it, but it appears someone took my bottle jack out of the back of my truck, and I didn't know until I hopped under here to do this. So I had to improvise. The first thing I did was drain the oil out of the pan, of course, and make sure you clean all this up. All the gunk off there, the old gasket up there. Make it nice and shiny so we could put the new gasket back on. Okay, so I got this all cleaned up here. And then I couldn't even get that sensor out, so the wire's bad on it anyway, so I left it in. I'm just gonna splice the wire back together and it'll be fine. Okay, so I got the bottom all cleaned up, which I should go show a picture of. Okay, anyway, so there is my gasket maker that I got, oil resistant, and then here's my gasket I got from AutoZone. I think it was $40, something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on there now. So fat end goes on the fat end, skinny end on the skinny end. Cool. Now we're gonna go slap this back onto the truck and put everything back together. Alright. Got that all back up there. Got my screws. I'll just finger tighten. You gotta wait a couple hours to torque them down to spec. Okay, so I put all the oil back in there. It's been about 24 hours since I did the gasket and stuff, so everything looks pretty good. No oil dripping, so that's great. If this video helped you out, go ahead and comment, or like or subscribe, hit the bell. All that stuff helps me out and I greatly appreciate it. So anyway, good luck.